Hi everyone, it's Ella. Today I'll show you the half double crochet stitch and double crochet stitch, which is abbreviated DC. I'm gonna make simple hair scrunchies using these basic stitches. Let's get started. At first, tie the thread to the band. Hold the tail with the band with your left hand. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, make a chain. One more chain, and yarn over the hook. Once going to the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through all the 3 loops together. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops together. You don't have to worry about beads that you meet. Just ignore them and do the half double crochet. Join with a slip stitch into the top of the starting chain too. If you want more ruffled scrunchies, you can increase the stitches before joining. Chain 2 and double crochet stitches. Yarn over, place the hook into the chain. Yarn over again, pull the hook through the chain. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. And last 2 loops. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. You can repeat this. Last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook. First 2, last 2. First 2, last 2. And then next. Last 2. 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now, 3rd row, 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch. This is the last single crochet stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Only using the basic techniques, you can have a very pretty, beautiful hair scrunchie. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.